Hello, Cassie here from Christian Women Business Builders Podcast and Christian Women Business Builders Community. And I am so excited to be sharing a little bit of a special episode with you today, in that we are going to be talking about 3 simple things that you can do in quick order to up your Black Friday holiday special sales this year. So you may be thinking, Cassie, it's too late for me to really do anything for Black Friday, or I've already planned my promotions, there's no time. These are simple things you can do. They take a little bit of time, they take a little bit of effort, but they can yield some big results. So let's talk about 3 ways that you can maximize your sales, your promotions, your visibility this holiday weekend. So the number one way, this is something we just got done teaching in our Black Friday offer workshop. So if you're listening to this and you're like, I need to create an offer like now, I've got a 90-minute workshop for you. It walks through every part of packaging, promoting, scheduling your Black Friday offers, and you can get in for only $47. So I'll drop that link in the show notes. But we taught this in that workshop, and that is by doing a tiered bonus that goes throughout the weekend. So what this could look like is if you have a bundle or if you're giving away some free bonuses as part of your Black Friday offer, you would introduce 1 or 2 of them on Black Friday, and then you would bonus stack another one of those on Small Business Saturday. And then you could go back and add even another one on Cyber Monday. And then some people even like to do an added percentage that they donate on Giving Tuesday. So out of one offer, you could promote it and stack those bonuses to add value all the way for 4 different occasions. So you could have one email post or one email and then some posts go out on Black Friday talking about the main offer, then another one go out on Small Business Saturday, adding a bonus, another one on Cyber Monday, adding even another bonus. And then finally, your Giving Tuesday could be the whole bundle with 10% of the proceeds going to the cause of your choice. Now, the important thing here is that if you offer that on Black Friday, you let your people know that if they've already purchased it on Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, whenever, that they get the extra bonus. So that way nobody feels left out. So what you're really doing is you're separating out your offer into a tiered release. And what this does is it gives you the opportunity to keep talking about your offer all the way through those 4 or 5 really great sales days. And it also sweetens the deal. So people who maybe didn't decide to buy it on Friday, when they look at it on Saturday and they see the extra bonus, they're like, oh, I've got to get it. They don't get it on Saturday. Maybe they don't check their email all weekend. They get in there on Monday, and now it's even better. So it extends your sale, it adds incentive, and it also builds goodwill because the people who purchase early also get access to the added bonuses. So we did this. One of the ladies in the community is opening up a special Bible study. It's an incredible Bible study. She's opening it for $12. And so Black Friday, she's promoting the study, the private community, get in for $12. Then on Good Saturday or on Small Business Saturday, she's adding in the Advent print off cards. And then on Cyber Monday, she's adding in a free digital CD download. So she just keeps adding to the value, not changing the price, but she already has all of that available for anybody who purchases as early as Black Friday. So that is a great way to add to the promotion. And again, you probably already have enough product in there to add your bonuses, discounts, whatever, but you're just tiering it and extending out that promotion period. So number 1 is your tiered bonus strategy. Number 2 is early access to your exclusive list. So depending on where you show up, this could look like some different things. We teach a community model. So we offer our Black Friday offer community bundle or community special to our community members first before we promote it to our email list or our Facebook group. So that means if you're a part of our community, our Grow Collective community, you can purchase our bundle early and get early access, and there's a limited number. So what we're doing this year is we are opening up a year membership inside the Grow Collective for an incredible value, and you get 3 one-on-one coaching calls in that bundle. Now, that is an incredible offer, and it's not something that we offer any other time of the year with the coaching calls. So for our community, they get access to that first, and I let them know I only have 10 of these available, because of capacity for doing the calls. So they get first access. Now, what this means is that you may sell out of that promotion before you even go public. If that's the case, that's perfectly fine. Think about something else that you can add in exchange for the exclusivity offer. So for us, if we fill those 10 spots, what we're going to do is take away the one-on-one coaching calls and add access to a bonus masterclass or a live group call, something where they still get a bonus. The price still is really valuable, but they're not getting that exclusive opportunity to get the one-on-one calls if they sell out first. So for you, if you don't have a community built, it could be you do it exclusively for your email list or your private Facebook group before you promote it publicly. Wherever your core group of customers are, you want to be able to offer this to them first, give them first opportunity, and then you promote it to the rest of your list. So this could look like giving it, 2 or 3 days prior to Black Friday. If you're listening to this, in real time, this is something you could start running now. You can say, I'm opening up our early Black Friday offer exclusively to you all before we make it public, before we send it out to our email list, before we post it on Facebook, however you want to do it. We found that to be really, again, it's beneficial to the members because you're giving them exclusive opportunity. And it also builds goodwill because they're getting that exclusive access to the promo, to the special, to the extra, whatever incentive before the public gets access. And then you still are able to promote it to the public. Say you have 3 spots left. Now you can say, I only have 3 spots left when you promote it to your main list. So that is another great way to up sales because it's always easier to get a yes from your warm audience than it is from a cold audience. So make the most of your warm audience. And number 3, this is one of my favorites. We're doing a fun little bundle in one of my communities like this year. Number 3 is partner/exchange opportunities. So what this could look like is if you have somebody in the business and they're doing a Black Friday offer and you're doing a Black Friday offer, how much more powerful would it be to come together, give your audience the access to both of your offers for one incredible price. Now, I've seen this done in different ways where there's one payment link and it's split, or where they can actually purchase one and then they purchase the other and they get both of them for a great price. You can also just do exchanges where, for example, if I have an offer for Christian women business builders and one of our clients is a copywriter, they could get a copywriting plus community coaching bundle. And we would just do an exchange where we would say, hey, she's got this great thing coming. It works really well with this. We've got this great thing coming, and it also works really well with this. So if you have a community model like we teach, you could actually include their offer in your community as a bundle, or you can just send them to separate places, but you all are exchanging promotions. Why this is so valuable is because we very quickly can reach a cap on our audience, especially if you're starting out and you're newer. So if you don't have a big audience yet and you're like, Cassie, who do I promote to? Reach out to some other people who are in a similar lane, but with a different offer, and see if there's opportunities for y'all to do an email swap, an email exchange, maybe even be able to post in each other's groups or in each other's, communities. Find ways to partner with other believers, get the message out, create greater value, and get more eyeballs on your offer. All right, so those are 3 things that you can be doing right here, right now to get more sales, more visibility, and more impact on your Black Friday offer. I highly encourage you to implement at least one of these this season and pick the one that just fits your model, fits what you're doing best. And then please share with me how it went. I love, love, love to hear y'all's feedback. You can leave a review here on the podcast, or you can also reach out to us inside the Christian Women Business Builders Facebook group, or join us inside the free level of our Grow Collective. Now, I do want to leave you with our Black Friday offer because as a podcast guest, you are one of our insiders. So any member of our Grow Collective, which is our free level private community off of social media is going to get the ability to join our Grow coaching community for 2025, an entire year of coaching, support, community, resources. There is so much in there for you. Plus, and this is craziness, we are doing 30-minute one-on-one sessions with me that you have until middle of the year, till June, to utilize. So 3 one-on-one calls with me, plus an entire year inside our Grow coaching community for $797. Now, we have sold the community itself at $997 before. My coaching calls usually run anywhere from $100 to $200. So it is truly an incredible value to get in there, join our community, and get an entire year of coaching and support for an incredible price. All right, I look forward to seeing you inside the Grow Coaching Collective. And if you have any questions or if you have anything you want to see on a future episode, drop them in those comments. Leave them in the community and reach out to me. All right, blessings. Get out there and have a great Black Friday and your best sales year ever.